Hey guys, are you wanting to buy Best Gaming PC 2023? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best gaming PC are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Legion Tower 5 Gen 6 AMD, the best budget gaming PC. The Legion Tower 5 Gen 6 AMD is a solid investment if you're looking for a budget gaming PC that can easily be used as a work machine. It's simple in design, so don't expect a gorgeous chassis or stunning RGB lighting. But it can easily fit in most spaces thanks to the case being small, is very lightweight, and has a great port selection. Even though it's inexpensive, the CPU and GPU it has are rather remarkable. If you want 60 frames per second, you can't run Cyberpunk 2077 on anything other than low settings or Dirt 5 on anything other than medium settings. Additionally, its benchmark test results were ordinary. However, we discovered that it can run any PC game smoothly as long as the settings are correct. It's actually more than good enough for a lot of gamers, especially those who are on a tighter budget, as most people really don't need to play at high settings. This is a great budget machine that will easily play most PC games well and can even handle plenty of high-end titles as long as you're willing to compromise. At number 2. Acer Predator Orion 7000. The Acer Predator Orion 7000 is a gaming PC that delivers beauty and power in spades, which makes it a top choice if you're not strapped for cash. Its high-end specs guarantee a smooth gaming experience and has seen us through completely maxed out sessions including 4K resolution, HDR, ray tracing, and 120 FPS of Final Fantasy VII Remake without breaking a sweat. With every parameter enabled, it even operated at 256 frames per second. Being this strong has its cons, chief among them the obnoxious fans that go into overdrive when you play on Ultra. On the bright side, we discovered that its carefully designed cooling system maintains smooth operation without turning into a furnace. We don't mind the fan noise anyhow, especially when we're using a good headset. All of that power is contained in a chassis that is designed for practicality. It can be opened without the use of tools, features a stylish cable management system, and offers a wide variety of ports. However, the chassis is just as gorgeous as it is practical, boasting gorgeous RGB lighting that makes it a stunning addition to your gaming setup. At number 3. Acer Predator Orion 3000, another excellent budget option with older specs. While the Acer Predator Orion 3000 is higher-end configurations don't sit in the budget department, we did find its more affordable versions offer absolutely incredible value for money, with performance per dollar beating out most other gaming PCs. Despite the fact that its fans do have trouble during the most intense gaming sessions, it earns the top rank on our list of the best cheap gaming PCs. Along with being exceptionally well constructed, it has a trait with Acer's Predator PCs in that it pays close attention to every last detail. Additionally, its neat, portable form makes it much easier to carry around than many of its rivals. Of course, its RGB lighting is really stunning, and the Frostblade fans and light bars on the side further enhance it. An easy-to-upgrade chassis means that this is a gaming PC that could last you for years, with performance in the base model making it easily capable of playing the latest games at 1080p or even 1440p right now. It's certainly a compelling purchase for gamers who care just as much about aesthetics as they do about performance. At number 4. Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R10. Not only do we love Alienware's suite of apps to keep things running quickly and smoothly, but we're also impressed by the Aurora R10's gorgeous-looking case, which we think is one of the more attractive out there. But the Alienware Aurora R10 Ryzen Edition is more than just a pretty computer. In its most robust settings, it really shines. One that had an AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor, a Radeon RX 6800XT GPU, and 32 GB of RAM was available for testing, and it breezed through all of our tests with no issues. Ray tracing is even available in several 1080p games, but it's not quite as extensively used on and-powered workstations as it is on those with an NVIDIA GPU. 1080p gaming on Ultra often achieves beyond 100 FPS. Naturally, that combo is not cheap, like most Alienware PCs, but its most basic option, which includes an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, Radeon RX 5300, and 8 GB RAM, is a bit more affordable. However, if you really want to experience the Alienware magic, be prepared to spend At number 5. Corsair PC Build Kit, a powerful gaming PC that even beginners can build. The Corsair PC Build Kit is a special addition to this list as, unlike all the other entries, it's not a pre-build, which means that you do get the pleasure of building it yourself. However, it might as well be, as Corsair already puts together the configurations for you. There are presently 3, excluding the extensive research needed when constructing a PC from scratch. In actuality, all we had to do to construct our kit was adhere to the thorough instructions that came with it. Practically a no-brainer for newcomers. Almost, of course. The hardware we received in our base setup isn't as potent to get players through ultra settings with everything turned up. However, playing Hogwarts Legacy on it was a positive experience because of its lag-free performance even with minimal ray tracing. Same goes with Canabridge of Spirits, which it handled well and provided us with a fluid gaming experience. Sadly, the base configuration won't give you RGB components or even inner blit case. But upgrade to the mid-range or high-end configuration, and you're getting a nicely lit setup. Just be prepared to pay a lot, as Corsair never rolls out anything that's cheap where its gaming PCs are concerned. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.